So this is what happens when you try to open the can. It is just oozing out everywhere. I'll try to show you what I'm talking about. You just push this here, and I'll see if I get the video while I'm doing it. Do you hear that? Just like... there, it just bubbling and oozing out. And I mean, we've not put anything on top of this. We've not done anything to this. It's literally just the can itself exploding. You can kind of see the top, how it's like, how it had that bump, and I just pressed it down. But yeah, that was, you can see some of the bubbles right there. Like anytime I release some of the pressure, it just kind of like oozes out more. I think we've got most of it, but let's see what this looks like. Sorry for all the bad camera action, but this is just weird. I've never seen anything like this in my whole life. Ew.